Hello, I'm Papa Steve Heringer. It's my honor to welcome you to Heringer Estates, Vineyards, and Winery. And I'm very excited to share with you today some of our 150-year agricultural history. I'm very proud of this piece of equipment here. I put this on display from pieces that I had collected over several years. And this is a typical blacksmith shop display. Here I've got my hand on the forge, and the forge is where they would have heated the iron to red hot in order to work it, to make it malleable, to work it into tools and into farm implements. And many of the farm implements that were run in the mid and late 1800s and into the early 1900s were actually made in small farm shops by blacksmiths. So wouldn't have been a name brand item, but just something that they put together to take care of a specific challenge that they had. So what we have here is we've got the forge, and it's got an air blower on it, and again the forge would have heated the metal to red hot and made it malleable to work on. This is called a post jack. Would have been a very important item in the shop. There's an old drill press there, both hand operated, and has a wheel on it if we was lucky enough to have a one-cylinder engine to power it. Anvil on the far side with a couple of nice hammers, and also a sickle sharpener. A lot of the crops were cut with sickles, and so a sickle sharpener was a very useful thing to have around. Many of the ag tools, I've got a lot of ag tools around on the far side of this that were made specifically to handle the iron work, and these actually would have been hand forged tools. So they really started from scratch and did everything that they had to do to make the implements and to get the jobs done that they had to get done. This is on an old warehouse cart, and I've mounted everything on here, so it's very sturdy. But that's pretty much. That's pretty much the. That's pretty much the blacksmith display. So thank you for sharing your time with us today, and I want you to invite you out to Heringer Estates, Vineyards and Winery in Clarksburg, California, where rusty iron abounds and the wine is fine.